Now then, where are we? Got a busy day today. It's a lovely day as well. I am heading to Preston to buy a Sony macro lens. Also, I'm going to go to the Etihad and have a look at the update, the stadium construction, and I will also be going to scout out some of the keys for a future nighttime photography extravaganza. Right, back to Preston. I've given myself just over an hour to buy the lens and find a Sports Direct if there is one. I want some particular Carrymore trousers with an elasticated waist. You may have them here in Preston. What a lovely day today in Preston. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to head into St George's Hall. First of all to Wilkinson's. Let's hope there's also a Sports Direct in here. I've been in Sports Direct. They don't have hot rocks here, Carrymore hot rocks with an elasticated waist, but now it's just a fixed waist. Watch that all, Owen, watch that all. So, no good to me. I'll have a look in Manchester. They might have an old pair, the two lying around. What a rush it's been, what a rush. The journey from Preston and Manchester was tedious. Just dithering around, stopping and going slow, I don't know why. Anyway, we're here now, we're heading to Manchester Piccadilly. I'm going to get myself a zone 1 and 2 tram pass. Not a bad system. I shall get a ticket down here, paying cash. I don't like using my bank cards. Don't trust them. Oh, don't trust them. Right, I got my ticket. It was £3.50, not £4.50. So that's zones 1 and 2. Unlimited travel throughout the day. A bargain. And here we are at Piccadilly, waiting for the tram, which will be 2 minutes away. Nice little tram ride, about 10 minutes. There is construction work up ahead. I'll have a good look round, get some footage with my fancy Sony camera. As you can see, that's where you're going for the stadium tour, but I'm going to wait until the new stand is finished and taking the museum and the skywalk. There is Mike Summerby, buzzer. I met him at Preston, got a photograph with him. I'm going to have a walk over this walkway here and have a look round. The rest of the Etihad campus. This inside is where the first team players train. Obviously cannot get past the security part. And here is the Etihad Stadium, the home of Manchester City women's football team. I am waiting for this tram in 2 minutes. I've been here longer than I should have been. I got carried away just looking around the beautiful Etihad Stadium. So here I am at MediaCity. I'm doing a little bit of scouting because I'm going to come here one evening and do a nighttime shot when everything is lit up. It's supposed to be very, very colourful. Right, I've just had a look round MediaCity. I'm going to get the tram now back to the northern quarter and do a little bit of street photography. I'm going to come here one night when all this lights up and get some nice neon shots. Look at the reflection. There. I've just had a look around the Imperial War Museum. It's alright, quite interesting. So let's head back over that way and get the tram. How would you like to live in an apartment like that? I wonder how much they cost. It's been quite enjoyable wandering about. I'm going to head back to the tram. It's about a 20-minute journey back to Piccadilly Gardens. Right, that's it, home time. Never got around the northern quarter. I had a look in another Sports Direct, but they don't have them trousers I'm after. They've changed the design of it all. So at the end of the day, I've had a good day, and over and out.